Getting AKA thing feature on Discord means the nicknames to your aliases. You can see it simple, you can do it. Just simply go to the Discord app, you can open a Discord server. Just open a Discord server, go to your edit profile setting, go to the change nickname option. Now in the change nickname option, you can change your nickname. Remember, you can choose any specific server, and for that server your nickname will be changed. So it's a very important step, you have to remember it. After clicking, for example, your name is something dash dash dash, you can add some other thing like cool dude 123. I know it sounds weird, but this is how you can add nickname so that AKR will be put on your user account for specific people group and server people. So yeah, this was how you can do the Discord AKR thing in simple steps. Discord is a very great platform when it comes to chatting and playing and talking, interacting with friends. So yeah, I'll see you in the next one.